Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry organized the India-Monaco Business Forum in order to stress on the need for India and Monaco to deepen their cooperation and eventually adopt high-end technologies to address the growing environmental concerns. The event was addressed by Minister of Commerce and Industry and Civil Aviation Suresh Prabhu in the presence of Albert II, Prince of Monaco, and the accompanying delegation.
We all are aware of the beautiful place that Monaco is. One of the most beautiful parts of the world, and I'm sure everybody will like to go there one day or the other. And that shows the promise of tourism that exists between this place and Monaco. Because as you know, there is a growing number of Indians who are traveling all the time, and many of them are outbound tourists are becoming larger in numbers. So I'm sure there is a great scope for cooperation in many areas, but including tourism.
Also, various officials from the ministries and government bodies of both the countries presented the scope India and Monaco carry for expanding the trade basket.
The 5 pillars of the Monaco economy, I say tourism, industry, trade, real estate and banking and financial management, depend on our hard work to adapt changes and on our attractiveness to economic agents worldwide.
I believe that the agreement that is being signed today will also encourage the businessmen of Monaco to visit different states in India for seeking business cooperations.
A partnership agreement was signed between Industry Chamber FICCI and Monaco Economic Board to strengthen the institutional relations between the two countries for further increasing trade and economic relations.
Pour les monégasques, eh bien, c'est évident qu'il y a un marché. Le marché, c'est le marché du futur. Lorsque la Chine s'épuise, l'Inde progresse. Et donc, c'est un marché qu'on ne peut pas ne pas avoir et qu'il faut absolument suivre. Donc, pour nous, l'Inde, il y a toutes les possibilités du monde, quoi, à elle seule. Voilà.
Monaco, it's a sea and sun destination. Of course, that's the main thing as on the French Riviera. So we have a wonderful blue sky all year long and a wonderful blue sea. That's the main point that attracting a lot of Indians. But of course, Monaco is a safe place and it's a walking distance place. So that means for people, you can imagine it's a country 200 times smaller than Delhi.